Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer Madic from Bitrue to Bitmart in 2025. If you're looking to move your assets for better opportunities or just to diversify, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there quickly and safely. Madic, now known as Polygon, is a popular token for scaling Ethereum, and transferring it between exchanges like Bitrue and Bitmart is easier than you might think. But remember, always double-check your wallet addresses to avoid any mishaps. Crypto waits for no one. First off, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Bitmart, and that you have some Madic in your Bitrue wallet. Start by logging into your Bitrue account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets, or Assets, section and find your Madic balance. Next, head over to the Withdrawal page. Select Madic from the list of assets, and choose the correct network. It's usually the Polygon network for Madic transfers. This is crucial to avoid any fees or failed transactions. Now, you'll need the deposit address from Bitmart. Log into your Bitmart account, go to the deposit section, select Madic, and copy the provided wallet address. Make sure it matches the Polygon network to keep things smooth. Back on Bitrue, paste the Bitmart deposit address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Madic you want to transfer, but don't forget to leave some for network fees. Review everything carefully. One wrong digit could send your tokens into the void. Hit confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Bitmart account in the meantime. When it arrives, you'll see your Madic balance update. And just like that, you're done. In conclusion, transferring Madic between exchanges is a breeze with these steps, but always prioritize security and verify transactions on Blockchain Explorers if needed. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.